10.
10?
10.
10. It's 10, Annie. 10.
Oh, shucks, I ain't even got to take my boots off.
10.
10.
10.
9.
9.
8.
7.
Hey, Roscoe.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because I can count.
Excuse me, Mr. College. I forgot to carry the one. 8.
8.
7.
7 on the inside.
6.
6.
6.
5.
5.
4.
4.
Roscoe,
3.
look.
Oh, Neil.
What up, Roscoe?
Well, who's that?
It's the Walmart guy.
Clarence.
No way. It's Dan. Get it.